How to fix your Capital One account suspended without warning. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is check your email notification. Look for emails from Capital One regarding security verification, fraud alerts, or required documentations. If there is some kind of email just like this, you can tap on that and then go along with the process of verifying, right? So after doing that, here what you can do if it's still not working is simply contact the Capital One security immediately. That you'll be able to get on their website, or you can even get online. You can simply Google search. You'll be able to get their number. Simply call them and tell them that this issue that you're facing, and they will definitely be able to help you, right? So after doing that, they might ask you to verify your identity. Then what you can do is upload the requested document. For example, it could be photo ID, utility bill, or your SSN card through the secure online upload portal. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.